Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best soil pH meter. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: 6-in-1 multi-functionality. Comprehensive testing capabilities. The curated 1879 is equipped to measure 6 essential parameters: soil pH, moisture level, fertility, light level, ambient humidity, and temperature. By providing data on each of these aspects, it enables you to monitor and improve the quality of your soil, ensuring that your plants have the best conditions possible. Versatile applications. This tool is suitable for a variety of uses, including gardens, lawns, farms, and indoor or outdoor plants. It is particularly helpful for those who want to optimize soil conditions for different types of plants, as it allows you to assess and adjust your soil based on multiple factors. Large green backlit LCD display. Enhanced visibility. The curated 1879 features a large, green backlit LCD that displays test data clearly, making it easier to read and interpret results compared to traditional dial meters. This display reduces the likelihood of misreading data, ensuring that you make informed decisions when adjusting soil conditions. Low battery alert. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, this soil meter also includes a low battery alert feature, so you'll know when it's time to replace the batteries. This ensures that you always get accurate readings without interruptions. Fast and accurate measurements. Advanced sensor technology. This soil tester is equipped with the latest 2024 soil sensor technology, allowing it to deliver quick and accurate readings on soil pH, moisture, fertility, humidity, temperature, and light levels. With this advanced technology, you can get real-time data on your soil conditions and make timely adjustments to suit your plant's needs. Light sensor. The integrated light sensor detects the current light intensity, giving you additional information about the environmental conditions of your plants. This is especially helpful for plants with specific light requirements, ensuring you can provide the right amount of light for optimal growth. Easy to use. Simple operation. To use the curated 1879, simply insert the probe about 3-5 inches into the soil and wait for 10-15 seconds. The data will display instantly on the screen, providing a quick and convenient way to assess your soil. Important usage note: avoid using the probe on overly dry or hard soil, as this may cause damage. If your soil is too dry, moisten it slightly before inserting the probe to ensure the best results. Pros: comprehensive soil data. With 6 measurement options, the curated 1879 provides comprehensive data that allows you to take a more informed approach to gardening or farming. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or maintaining a lawn, you can easily assess and enhance soil quality. User-friendly LCD display. The large, backlit LCD display makes it easy to read measurements, even in low light. This display minimizes errors and makes the tool accessible for users of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced gardeners. High accuracy and speed. The curated 1879's advanced sensor technology ensures highly accurate and fast readings. By delivering real-time data, this tool lets you make quick adjustments to improve plant health, which is especially useful during critical growth stages. Portable and convenient. This compact and lightweight soil tester can be easily carried around your garden or farm. The quick and easy-to-use probe allows for fast spot checks in multiple areas, helping you ensure all your plants have optimal conditions. Wide range of uses. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor plants, as well as various planting sites, this soil tester is highly versatile. It's ideal for use in gardens, farms, greenhouses, and even in potted plants, allowing you to monitor and care for plants in virtually any environment. Cons: battery dependency. The curated 1879 requires 2 AAA batteries to operate. Although the device has a low battery indicator, battery dependency can still be inconvenient for those who prefer a more traditional, non-electronic soil tester. Having spare batteries on hand is recommended to avoid interruptions. Limited waterproofing. Although this soil tester can handle regular use in soil, It lacks complete waterproofing, meaning you should avoid using it in overly wet conditions or cleaning it with excessive water. Careful handling is necessary to avoid water damage. No memory or data logging. This model does not have a built-in memory or data logging feature, meaning it won't save past readings. If you want to track changes over time, you'll need to record measurements manually. This could be a limitation for those who want detailed historical data on soil conditions. The YERI THE1879 soil pH meter is ideal for plant care, with 6-in-1 functions, a backlit LCD, and fast data on soil pH, moisture, and more. While it needs batteries and lacks memory, it's a top choice for serious gardeners. Check the description for pricing and subscribe to Tech Product.